Have you ever pondered the intricate process of how satellite images are stored? Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of raster formats, a pixel-based data format that is the backbone of storing continuous surfaces like satellite imagery. To kick things off, it's essential to understand what raster data is. It's a type of data that represents a continuous surface, stored in a grid structure. Each unit of information, or as we commonly call it, a pixel, has the same size and shape but varies in value. Now, when it comes to organizing image data for multiband images, three methods stand out: band interleaved by line or BIL, band interleaved by pixel or BIP, and band sequential or BSQ. These are not image formats per se, but rather they are schemes for storing the actual pixel values of an image in a file. Let's talk about BIL first. Band interleaved by line data stores pixel information band by band for each line or row of the image. Picture a three-band image. All three bands of data are written for row 1, then all three bands for row 2, and so on, until every row in the image is covered. Shifting gears to BIP, or band interleaved by pixel, this method is similar to BIL, but with a slight twist. Here, the data for each pixel is written band by band. So, for the same three-band image, the data for bands 1, 2, and 3 are written for the first pixel in column 1, and the pattern continues. Finally, we have the band sequential format, which stores information for the image one band at a time. Simply put, data for all the pixels for band 1 is stored first, followed by data for all pixels for band 2, and so on. However, it's important to note that BIL, BIP, and BSQ files are binary files, and they must have an associated ASCII file header to be interpreted properly. This header file contains ancillary data about the image, such as the number of rows and columns in the image if there is a color map, and latitude and longitude. To sum it up, BIL, BIP, and BSQ are three efficient methods of organizing raster image data. BIL stores pixel information band by band for each line. BIP stores data for each pixel band by band, and BSQ stores image data one band at a time. So the next time you glance at a satellite image, you'll know a bit more about the complex process that goes into storing it.